It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. You always give a little extra effort. It's what separates you from everyone else. You deserve a truck that matches that philosophy, and you found it right here. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, turbo V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.